Canada. The airport. Canada's original Air Force trainers came from use for both training and operation. By the 1930s, these early biplanes were replaced with more powerful aircraft, including the iconic North American Harbour. Canada and the Harbour would become integral in the British Commonwealth training plan. By the 1930s, these early biplanes were replaced with more powerful aircraft, including the iconic North American Harbour. Canada and the Harbour would become integral in the British Commonwealth training plan on numerous occasions, dating back to 1931. And since the mid-1950s, the RCAF has helped NORAD track Santa's Christmas Eve progress around the globe. The Cold War saw extreme tensions between North America and the Soviet Union. In the 60s and 70s, the Royal Canadian Air Force employed supersonic Century Series fighters, including the CF-101 Blue and the CF-104 Starfighter world, including the Middle East, Eastern Europe, North Africa, and as part of NORAD's aerial defense. I've been away, but there was something that I